Jay, please introduce me yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Velma Talal, 29 years old, single, from Malik, Isabela, Philippines. I have two brothers and I am the second in the family. I am a college graduate. I took a Bachelor of Science in Agriculture.
Okay, do you have experience abroad?
Yes, I work in Singapore serving two adults and a 5-year-old girl. My main duties and responsibilities are cleaning like mopping, vacuuming, dusting, cooking Chinese food, laundry, ironing, car washing.
Okay, so in your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I check the temperature and inform my employer.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking, responsible, and honest person.
Do you have any tattoo?
No,
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
no,
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
don't have,
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
no.
And why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to provide for my family and save for my future.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
I don't have children.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I'll focus on my work and in my goal.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I wake up 6 a.m. and I rest at 10:30 p.m.
Are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes,
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will become more patient.
Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes,
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
yes,
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
yes,
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
no,
Are you willing to share them with kids?
yes,
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
yes,
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
yes,
Do you promise to finish your contract?
yes,
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
yes.
Sing it.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, all through the town.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I hope you hire me. I am hardworking and honest and responsible person. Thank you.